The impact of urban planning on the world is stunning and essential. The world is an evolving, dynamic place. Urban planning as a discipline is one of those fields that allows the world to evolve in productive and sustainable ways. Florida State University is ranked 11th among all public universities nationally, and we're the top planning program in the state of Florida. As dean and as a professor, I oversee the college and our programs to ensure that our students get the very best education they can get, that our employers are well served by the students that we put out there into the world, and the research we undertake makes a difference for the world we live in. If you come to FSU, you'll be part of a big university, but we'll have a small university feel. With our low 8-to-1 faculty to student ratio, there's a sense of community, a sense of care, a sense of purpose about this place that I don't think you'll find very many places around the nation. Our graduates are in demand, with 95% being employed within 6 months. We also provide customized international exchanges in Denmark, the Netherlands, and Botswana, which expands our students' global experience. Sometimes I get asked what makes the perfect planner and planning student. First of all, you have to be selfless. Planning is a field in which you're working with and for other people, and that needs to be part of your core. Second of all, you want to make a difference in the world. We talk about planning as a place in which you're acting to better your community, to strengthen its businesses, to improve its environment, to improve the way it functions. If you're looking for a career in which technology is cool and fun and engaging, planning is also for you. Between our spatial data analytic analysis tools, our GIS tools, our remote sensing tools, we're using drones to survey cities. This is a place in which, if you like to geek out, planning can find a home for you as well. Let's say you're really interested in policy and the mechanics of how organizations work. Planners are also that type of person as well. They enjoy the nitty-gritty of budgets, of policy, of rulemaking, because ultimately those things shape the places that we live in. So in a way, planners are a little bit of everybody, but if you want to make a difference, if you want to have an impact, if you're selfless and community-oriented, planning is the home for you.